like we also have like decimal expressions in real numbers. People understand.
It's half open, meaning that it's open on this end, there's closed here. It's not equal to AB. Both sides here are closed here. And you have to find the Cartesian product. You see, you take each element of the first set.
It's a branch of mathematics which deals with the formal assume is without regard to the nature of their individual
condition, which is called the universal set. It is a set of all possible values. Also, the epse set, which in mathematics, the epse set is the unique set having one element.
The element of set is not belong to the universal set. We're trying to ask.
This, you have a question, just write it down at the end, you ask the question. Let's save time, please.
The complement of a set in which respect the universal set is the difference of the universal set.
according to the reason,